Hello everybody, welcome to InstaFollowers.co YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about our newest feature, our newest tool, YouTube Thumbnail Downloader. With this tool, you will be able to download any YouTube video thumbnail. So here's what you need to do. Navigate to our site, enter the video link of the YouTube video that you have chosen, and then hit check. Solve the security check and confirm that you're not a robot. The tool may work with delay due to security measures. After entering your information, you have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes. The best thing about YouTube Thumbnail Downloader is that you can view these thumbnails while being offline, so you don't have to have internet access to be able to view these thumbnails. Also, as a result, you will end up having the original resolution thumbnail, which you could use for your own projects. What's more is that our tool is completely free and easy to use. Moreover, you can use it as many times as you like. So go ahead and give it a try. We guarantee you that you will be satisfied. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and take care.